Buenos días, estudiantes. Me llamo Señora L y hoy vamos a hablar más sobre los animales. My name is Señora L, and today we are going to learn more about the Spanish vocabulary of some of the more common domestic and wild animals in North America. In an earlier video, we talked about the vocabulary of the immediate family and a few pets. Today, we are going to expand on this vocabulary. Also, as I go over these words, almost all of them will be in the masculine plural form, ending with OS. For more information on masculine, feminine, and neutral words in Spanish, please check out our video on grammatical gender in Spanish. Entonces, vámonos. Primero, perros. Repite, perros. Dogs. Some fancier than others. Gatos. Cats. Cuyes. Guinea pigs. Conejos. Bunnies. Fish. Aves, birds. Vacas, cows. Ovejas, sheep. Burros, donkeys. Cerdos, pigs. Caballos, horses. Pollos, chickens. Now, of course, there are different types of chickens. Gallos are roosters. Gallinas are hens. Pollitos, chicks. Pavos, turkeys. Patos, ducks. Tortugas, turtles. In a future video, I've got a couple stories about turtles. Lagartos, lizards. Serpientes, snakes. Zarigüeya. Repite, zarigüeya, possums. Mapache, raccoons. Ciervo, deer. Coyote, coyotes. Pumas, cougars or mountain lions. Halcón, hawks. Buitres, vultures. Osos, bears. Zorros, foxes. Ardillos, squirrels. Now there are many more animals, of course, and in future videos we will cover more wild animals and their environments around the world. And I would love to hear from you as far as what animals you would like to see on our videos, whether domestic or wild. Until then, hasta luego. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. If you would like to see more of our Spanish educational content, please feel free to check here, or subscribe below here. Gracias and hasta luego.